got a 2014 Ford Explorer right here. I'm gonna show you guys your cigarette lighter fuse. So you pop the hood open. You have this fuse box right here. You got 2 tabs. You open it up. So you're gonna have 4 fuses right here. We're gonna start off with this one right here. This is gonna be one of your console outlet. So check this one out. And the way to remove it, grab a pair of needle nose pliers and you just kind of twist it left to right, and then you just pull it up just like that. Put the new one in. If it's messed up, just replace it with a new one. You got this fuse right here as well. So this is gonna be the 3rd row fuses, and these 2 right here are 3rd row, and this one right here, this is gonna be, I think, the rear middle one in the back right here. So you got this fuse right here, you got these 2 right there, and you got that one. Once you verify that all 4 of those fuses are good, I'm going to show you another fuse underneath the steering wheel. You got 2 screws right here. Go ahead and take it off. I think that's a 6mm. I'm using a 7mm because I can't find my 6. 7mm works too. All right, take those 2 screws out. You should be able to just pull this off. So you got one more tab right there. So I ended up just yanking this cover off right here. It's got a little tab right there that you just pull it down, it'll eventually come off. You don't have to remove this panel. I just took it off so I can have a better view of what I'm dealing with. So you're gonna crawl underneath here. It's gonna be a tight space right here. There's no space underneath here. So you got this tab right here. There you go, you just pull it out. So you got this 15 amp fuse right here. So check that one as well. And if it's burnt, replace it with a new one. And that's it, guys. That's all the fuses that you need to check. And that is it. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys got any questions for me, just leave it in the comment section. Also click on the subscribe button. And again, thank you guys for watching.